It's a bad little man trying to find his way out these streets. It's a bad little man. He gon' keep pushing his dreams until he succeeds.
See that thing right there. Oh, snap. We got it. Whip. Come on now. Come on, two. Let's go out here and mess with some folks. Yeah. Honey. Uh-oh. Whoa. That's what I'm talking about.
Excuse me,
Good, man. You good to say. You good.
What on out here?
What's happening?
What you got going on, man?
Man, chillin', man. Hey, man. Check it out, man. Sick Wilson and good old Dallas, man. We showing love. Houston to D-Town. This Dallas my second home, man. But, hey, man, we out here. We gonna try to get this thing packed in what it's already packed, man. Let's get it.
Already. Say, y'all heard what he's saying, man? Say, nah, come on now. She done went past some folks on that YouTube, man. Ooh, say, hurt my little feelings, man. But say, for a good cause, I like that though, man. Come on. Look at the ride right here, man. Yeah. Okay, but say, quit talking. Say, you're doing it to yourself. See that? Y'all see that thing right there, boy? Look at that ride right there. So y'all subscribe to the channel though, man. Y'all get it going on. Yeah, let's get on up in this show. And this thing right here is, hey man, look at this ride with me right now, man. Come on now. This thing right here is flavor.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work like it's magic. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work with no trapping. Abracadabra, why me flip $100 to 100,000? Hey, abracadabra, abracadabra, hey, abracadabra, 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 I get the work like it's magic. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work with no trapping. Abracadabra, why me flip $100 to 100,000? Hey, abracadabra, abracadabra, hey, abracadabra, 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 I get the work, call me Tony Montana. I got the blood coming straight from Atlanta. Know this white girl and they call her Susanna. She be working at the Coca Cabana. I got the juice, no Tropicana. Just the propaganda, tell me can you handle Alicia Keys? No piano, sipping the cup at a dirty Diana. Disappear and reappear in the phantom. Pull up, so I random. How about with a couple dancers? I'm just tryna keep my pants up while I'm steady running bands up. Hands up, dab, ayy, dab it with my hands up. Like abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work like it's magic. Abracadabra, abracadabra, I get the work with no trapping. Abracadabra, why me flip $100 to 100,000? Hey, abracadabra, abracadabra, hey, abracadabra, 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 I get the work like it's magic. Abracadabra.
And I ain't even seen it yet. Oh my Lord. Nice. Man, look at that thing right there. That's sick. That thing right there, boy.
And all this pain I've been through, I was damn bad, I ain't even have a clue. Step out in my ways and know what to do. So I kept her for them better days. Know I got angels watching from them heaven gates. Ask the Lord to wash my sins away. Gotta stay focused and keep my faith. Walking down these dark roads like I'm losing my
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Say, look what we got on the channel, man. Oh, wow. Look at there, look at there. Say,
Jizzle, man. You already know. Like, subscribe, man. Yes, sir.
y'all make sure y'all subscribe to Tizzle channel. Who y'all wish to Tizzle?
That's my nana right here.
Nana game, NASCAR Nana game. Already, yeah. Already, say, man. Yeah. Y'all see we got the Jeep game, huh? Uh-oh. Getting it all bagged in here.
What's up, bad little man? What's up?
Yeah, you better know it.
Hold on, you gonna hit that one.
Alright.
How they gonna judge our shit
I
style
see
by
you got the little Jeep going on, man. I got that Jeep thing right. Got good wheels on it. Now you know what?
Man, what's
now
up,
you
man? Look,
know
man,
what?
What's going on, my dog?
You know what?
Already, man.
Say. Now you know.
Man. Y'all know what time it is.
I got
real in the building, man.
I got messed up a while ago.
Yes, sir, nah, man. Come on, man.
I got messed up a while ago when I walked past the
You got
ride.
messed up? Hey, it ain't done yet. Wait till Wednesday. When everything done.
When everything done.
When everything done.
When everything, man.
When everything done.
I walked past that. I was like, man, look at this
I
thing.
had to go steal my own car.
I was like, man, look at this thing. Then
Yeah.
I got on the window. I was like, oh.
Yeah, man.
Now. Yeah,
Yeah,
I like
man.
that thing, man. Don't keep him on the camera. Everybody, I want everybody to give
man, look.
Tizzle a hug. Everybody give
Don't
Tizzle
hug me
a
right
hug.
now because of Corona, man.
Everybody
Yes,
give
sir.
Tizzle a hug day. That's what today is. Yes, sir.
All the way from Seattle. All the way from Seattle. You see it?
Uh-oh. Ooh-wee.
$7 vendors out here. Get y'all a snow cone. Get y'all some crawfish. Get some of that good dark liquor. You got daiquiris back over to my right. You got kitchen killers in the building. You got kitty land in the building. Smoking cute barbecue up on the front with the funnel case. You came out with your car there to get it washed.
Bad little man. Bad little man. Yeah. Well, so y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know who it is. Come on now. Come on now.
Well, money bag, the pull-up king, you know me, man. Winter, summer, fall, and spring, I'm in that thing. Hey, follow me on Royalty on 24th. We're going up all 2020. Make sure y'all follow Bad Little Man. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both of them channels, man.
Did y'all see how he went past me? Did y'all see how he went past me on them subscribers? Say, man, like, shoom, say.
Already, hey, man.
What you gotta say about that?
Because I'm not in
What you gotta say about that? Uh-oh.
You know, I don't have a YouTube channel, but you know, this my bro. He gonna hook me up to the game and stuff like that. That's Tasha right there. You just looking at.
All right. Well, what's your channel? You got a Instagram?
Yeah. It's what is it? That star DATSTAR 724. That's it.
That is.
That eyes in the bed.
Y'all already know. Instagram is the same as the YouTube, royalty on 24. Just underscore. So royalty underscore on underscore 24. Hope I don't get copyrighted trying to film you now. Oh, you already know. Don't talk stuff out before I have to cut it. I already know. We know how we do it. We just put that royalty on 24. You're right. You already know. Your boy Money Bag, pull up king, winner some of my things. I'm in that thing. Hey, you already know. I know y'all follow me the real. Follow him. He put the dogs on his flag and everything, man. Every time we see him, he's doing something different.
We got my peeps out here. Say, we got my peeps, my family out here now, y'all. Come on now.
Hey, this your boy Hog Life, aka on the Harley, Choco. Look for me YouTube. I'm out here with Bad Little Man.
Already. Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's my game. I get that time, baby.
Loud.
Stick together like the souls. Stop by, say who got the yay for the love, and I keep birds with me.
Oops, we got the bet thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Say, y'all already know, man. We're out here just doing our thing, chilling, moving and grooving. We're about to check out the next group right here. Let's see what we see right here. Man, this thing right here is clean as hell. Like, what side we're in, bro? 30s? Man, that thing right there is, ooh, say. It's nice, man. I'm trying to tell you something. Y'all better pay attention. Y'all better quit sleeping, man. Y'all better quit sleeping. When you get to sleeping, man, things like this come rolling up down the street on you. It makes you want to get right. Make you want to get right. Oh, that thing right there is clean. Yes, sir. That thing right there, right? That thing right there, nice. Yes, sir. Whoa, shot that China, man.
What? Hey, man. Y'all go mess with your boy, man. Hatch TV. Please do that for me. I'm trying to grow. Please do that for me. What you call it?
Please do that.
What you call it, brother?
Over there, no problem.
Over there? Yeah, we gonna go see that in just a second.
It's all on the far end, man. Get out that channel,
Y'all see the
man.
merch.
The real 14K, man. YouTube and Instagram, y'all get that ASAP, man. You know what's going down, man.
Yeah, so y'all see the merch game,
Y'all
right
see
here.
the merch.
Y'all
See the merch, man.
He ain't gotta say nothing.
now.
Yeah, subscribe, like, and share. All that.
Ooh, getting it back right there and putting it back right there. See that?
Yes,
oh,
sir.
man, working that camera. Where you at, man? Uh-oh.
Boy, that's right there.
Uh-oh, say, can I borrow your car?
Got it.
I can borrow it?
Got it.
Oh, snap, man, look at this thing right here, y'all. Ooh, y'all gotta quit tripping, man. Y'all gotta. Yes, sir, boy. I would take it Friday. I'll take it Saturday, Sunday, any day of the week, man. It don't matter. We'll be in a fast lane, like fast food, like burger stores, like everything. Like, ooh, we like, man, I'm trying to tell y'all something. Y'all gonna learn about it today. Yeah. Y'all gonna learn about it today. Y'all gonna learn. Been identified. Do. That's right, under the radar. That's right, under the radar. Respect that ride, y'all. With it, man. Appreciate it, bro. Already, man. Anyway, let's get back. Say, make sure you subscribe to the channel, though, man. Subscribe to the channel, man.
JD. See, I came from the bottom, tryna make it to the top. So, mama, I got them JD now on the rise. Remember all them bloody was still trying to bear all this pain. Hey, hey. Say that you tough and you call on your partner. Stop it, bullies, yeah, they gon' make you holler. All of my niggas, they get to their collar. All of my niggas, they up and they bad. Ain't going outside. She let me come back. Boy, yeah, I know ain't gonna crash. We got my niggas just locking them chains. They say I'm the chosen, so I gotta maintain. Reaching from great and want the money and fame. I'm one of the cops, which I fuck up the game. If a nigga try me, knock him out of his shoe. Fuck him down like he's from the school. These niggas be snake, gotta watch how I move. My bitch real, don't need him to do. Hop in the push and I hop in the bin. Me and my brothers, we shoot at your man. Say he want face and we slide again. We got the break and we spinning again. I'm gonna out while I fight me the sin. Yo, yeah, cause I know she'll been. See that she living the way I am. But that the I know she I got me a bitch and you know she a pin. No time for no fish on the can of a meal. I was down on my ass, now I'm saying me can't. But these niggas be hitting me, that shit for real. Lock on my side and that bitch on the 30. Come to the block, watch I do your ass dirty. Sit your ass up like you a little birdie. Call up the game, watch they running on her. You said that you love, but you stepped on my heart. I love here to watch that chopper shoot sports. If with me, yeah, you better move smart. I didn't know who don't let up your car.
Badass little man. It's Montez 817 on everything. Instagram, on the tube. Y'all know how to get at me. Got that Challenger coming with that beat coming real soon.
Already, y'all better recognize.
What the fuck did they get for my name? Now these niggas know they see I'm tolerated. I ain't remember no bitch, they love her saying. Try me, you can get swept like a broom.
Yeah, nice. Let's see what else we got out here. Thing like that. Uh-oh. Come on now. Captain of America. Yes, sir. I know y'all like that one.
Cause he got the sauce. On his way to the top, he don't lose control. All he gotta do is stay patient.